Hello everybody, how are you? Today we make meat mince. Meat mince on charcoal. Meat mince on charcoal. Today I have this mince. I put garlic, I put onion, I put all spices like paprika, like cumin, like black pepper, like nutmeg, like turmeric, all spice what you like, put. And I have net like that. I make this mince like that. Like kofta. Like kofta. This way, very, very healthy. Because all fat come down. I make all and come again. And now I finish all like that. And I put charcoal on fire. Let's go. Now I put charcoal on fire until charcoal make color red. I will transfer for the fry pan. This easy way for make charcoal hot. And now I transfer all charcoal in old pan. If you have old pan, you can make it for fry meat mince. And now I make like that. This one. Until charcoal red. If you have van, no problem. You can put van here or here for charcoal hot. I already put the meat mince on charcoal for fry. Every 2 minutes you can make a change. And now I put all meat mince on charcoal. I make change for net like that until all meat mince cook. every 1 minute I make it change like that. And now I make it change like that. After 15 minutes, already meat mince cook. After 15 minutes, 20 minutes like that. And now already finish everything. Now meat, mince meat, kofta, like that. You can eat kofta with salad, with bread, with ketchup, with mayonnaise. And this is the view. Very, very tasty. If this video good or you like this way, please make a subscribe, make share, make like, make comment.